Verasity, like many other coins, have been in a free waterfall, or not a beautiful kind. I am, however, seeing some reversal ideas. The probability is not that high, but the possibility is definitely there. We also need to look at the fundamentals and the market cap of Verasity, because the fully diluted market cap is looking wrong, and it will have a big impact on the price of Verasity. This TA was requested by a Twitter follower, Wilson H, and members of our Discord, which you guys also can join freely. The link will be provided down below. Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Verasity, like many other altcoins, have been very correlated with the Bitcoin drop, and this is very normal, right? We still have a bearish structure. We don't have a bullish structure, guys. So be and stay realistic. But we do have these reversal ideas. If you look at the chart and the daily chart, we can see we are making this beautiful falling wedge, which is of course a reversal idea. And within this falling wedge, we have a beautiful Elliott wave with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corrected wave to the downside. And in the wave 5, typically at the end, we typically see an ABC, an impulsive wave to the upside. So we could get some short-term gains right there, but we do have some resistance ideas. And these resistance ideas are around this area, and the last one will be at 0.008. So to break these resistance idea, the first thing we need to do is break this resistance right over here. All right, as you can see here, this is the most important thing. Then we have to retest this before we see our upside, and then we need to test these levels, the supply zone, and break through the supply zone. But number one is to do that again, guys, we need volume. If you've been a long time subscriber to my channel, you know we need volume, because number one is volume for any traders. If we get the volume we need, we can break this supply zone, and then there will be a demand zone, which is a support zone later on, and then we have a new zone to fight, right? But we need volume. Without any volume, we cannot break these zones. First look at the SMA 21, 30, 50. We can see right now we are struggling in the daily SMA, right? At the 21 SMA, which is the most important, 21 and 30 SMA, we are struggling right there, as you guys are seeing. We need to go above this. Again, we need volume to break these zones, because we can use these zones or these lines as a support later on. But right now they're being used as resistance. So we need volume to really break through these lines. When we get enough buyers, enough demand, right, liquidity in these markets, then we can break really through and we will see an upside. This trade will get validated then, but so far we need volume. Without any volume, this cannot be a possibility. The RSI is showing us we are below 50. Again, been following my channel, you know when we are below 50 at the RSI, we're in a downtrend. And lo and behold, we're in a downtrend, but we are forming a beautiful bullish divergence. As you guys are seeing right over here, we have an opposite right now, which means we are using this bullish divergence as a support, and we need to kiss the 50 area and break 50 area if we want any upside continuation. This is important, guys. If we, let me just show you guys, if we go right something like this, right, and we retest the support but we don't break it, the price will most likely do something like this and go down again. We have to break this and use this as a support. Then we will break, most likely we will break this resistance level, which is right at this price level, right, this area, right, and then we can use this as a demand zone, as a support zone instead. But if we do not break the 50 area, we will just fail, and then this get invalidated and we will go down, guys. There's a probability for that, so be aware of that. And a fast look at the RSI stock, we can see with the overbought area, all right, which is also aligned with the price action, which means we are testing this resistance area and going down to the support. That is pretty important. Remember, guys, this is in the daily, so this can take days before it's unfold. This is fine. We are testing the overbought area, going down. We want that. We want it to go down to the oversold area instead, right? Because then it's testing the support area, and then we want to have this volume, this liquidity getting kicked in so we can break this resistance zones. And we just take a look at the MACD, we can see we have some bullish momentum, but again, we are still in a downtrend. We have crossed over to have this bullish momentum, and it is looking like we might break over, guys. But again, break the resistance. But we need, again, I'm going to repeat myself, we need volume. Without any volume, there won't be any breakthrough, and we will just continue to keep going down. Remember, this is a probability, no guarantee. So remember, I'm also not your financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence, or you might get yourself wrecked. And as always been saying, guys, if Bitcoin drops, all coins follow Bitcoin's footstep. VRA is no different. All right, the rest is no different. If Bitcoin falls and drops right now, this TA gets invalidated, and pretty much Verasity will keep dropping with Bitcoin. On a fundamental point of view, what I'm seeing right now is kind of disturbing, because if you look at the market cap, it's 48 million at the current stage. If you look at the fully diluted market cap, cap, we're seeing a 512 million, all right? That's almost a 10x as much. This just means that you need a 10x market cap to sustain this price level. This just means there are way too much supply compared to the demand side. Also, if you look at the circulating supply, that's 9%. That is also, kind of a red flag for me. And this is also a red flag for me. I don't know if this, a mistake or error from CoinMarketCap, but if it is, they need to fix it right away, because if this is not a mistake, that means there's 91% of the supply which is not circulating supply, which gives this a supply shock. And when the supply is greater than demand, that will be price decline. All right, this is extremely important to understand. So again, I don't know if this is a mistake, but you need to fix it right away. If you're still watching, I assume you're enjoying this TA of Verasity. If you do, on the left corner I'll be recommending video to watch even more TAs. And as always, guys, you can join our free Discord server. The link will be provided down below. See you in the Discord server. Thank you for watching.